how do you do, Private Willie McBride? Do you mind if I sit here down by your graveside? I'll rest for a while, need a warm summer sun. I've been walking all day, I'm nearly done. I see by your gravestone you were only 19 when you joined the Great Fallen in 1915. I hope you died quick, and I hope you died lean. Young Willie McBride, was it so long obscene? Did he beat the drum slowly? Did he play the fife lowly? Did the rifles fire o'er ye as they lowered you down? Did the bugle play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the fowls of the forest? Did you leave her a wife or a sweetheart behind? And some faithful heart is your memory enshrined. Although you died back there in 1915, in some faithful heart are you forever 19? Or are you a stranger without even a name, and trying forever behind the last frame? In an old photograph, torn and tattered and stained, and fading to yellow in a brown leather case. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Did the rifles fire o'er ye as they lowered you down? Did the bugle play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flowers on the forest? The sun now shines on these green fields of France. There's a warm summer breeze makes the red poppies dance. The trenches have vanished, no wonder the plough. There's no gas, no barbed wire, no guns firing now. But here in this graveyard it's still no man's land. The countless white crosses stand mute in the sand. To a man's blind indifference to his fellow man, to a whole generation that were butchered and damned. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Did the rifles fire o'er ye as they lowered you down? Did the bugle play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the fowls on the forest? I can't help but wonder, now Willie McBride, do those who lie here know why that they died? Did they really believe that he answered the calls? Did they really believe that this war would end wars? Well, the sorrow, the suffering, the glory, the shame, the killing and dying were all in vain. For young Willie McBride, it's all happened again, and again and again, and again and again. Did he beat the drum slowly? Did he play the fife lowly? Did the rifles fire o'er ye as they lowered you down? Did the bugle play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes lay the flowers over for